Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a detailed exploration of CrossAbove and CrossBelow within the context of indicator value and their impact on backtesting results. CrossAbove refers to a situation where one indicator or price line crosses above another from below, while CrossBelow indicates a scenario where one indicator or price line crosses below another from above. This type of crossover is typically regarded as a potential signal, suggesting a potential change in trend. Typical examples include the short-term moving average crossing above the long-term moving average or the price line crossing a key horizontal level. Now, let's take a look at an example. We have copied a backtest using the CrossAbove and CrossBelow conditions and sample backtests, involving the 10-day moving average and the 30-day moving average. Specifically, the entry condition is the 10-day moving average crossing above the 30-day moving average, while the exit condition is the 10-day moving average crossing below the 30-day moving average. Now, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's take a look at the chart, where the white line represents the 10-day moving average, and the red line represents the 30-day moving average. Clearly, when the 10-day moving average from below crosses above the 30-day moving average, triggering the CrossAbove condition, it leads to a buy trade. Conversely, when the 10-day moving average from above crosses below the 30-day moving average, triggering the CrossBelow condition, it results in a sell trade. You can also hover your mouse over each bar to view their values. When the value of the 10-day moving average transitions from being less than the previous bar to being greater than the 30-day moving average in the next bar, it satisfies the CrossAbove condition. Conversely, when its value transitions from being greater than the previous bar to being less than the 30-day moving average in the next bar, it meets the CrossBelow condition. In conclusion, it is recommended to incorporate other technical indicators when formulating a trading strategy, as relying solely on a single signal cannot guarantee accurate predictions of market behavior. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on explaining CrossAbove and CrossBelow. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.